And all you have to do is to listen to Kuya Bren para po sa ating first game. Alright, alam ko excited natin actually, kids. So kids, get ready for our first game. Kasama of course si Jarek Matthew. Jarek, come here, join us here. Ayan. Si Jermaine ba magjo-join din? Alright. Galingan natin mga players. For our first game, this is what we called Yum's Robot Arm. And by the way, Jolly Kids, sa Jolly Town Barkada, we have Hetty, Twirly, Popo, Yum, and Jollibee. Okay? So si Yum, sa Jolly Town Barkada, mahilig po siya sa gadgets and inventions just like our Jolly Kids. Okay? So si Yum, naka-invent po siya ng robot arm na gagamitin natin sa ating game. Sabi ni Yum, we are going to build a tower using this robot arm and this colored and numbered blocks. Okay, so being 5, the biggest block, 4, 3, 2, and 1 naman po yung pinakamaliit na block. Okay, so sabi ni Yum, in building a tower, we have to get first the biggest block, which is number 5. Isa-stack nyo lang po siya, kids, no, as fast as you can. Kailangan mabuo nyo po yung tower natin. Yung pinakamabilis kasi bibigyan namin kayo ng 15 seconds for this game. Kung sino po ang player na makabuo ng tower in 15 seconds, siya po ang winner sa ating game. Remember, using only our robot arm. Sa paggamit po ng robot arm, ilalagay niyo po yung fingers po dito, no? Ipupull niyo po yung string para po mag-clip yung fingers ng ating robot arm. Tightly, dapat nahahawakan po ng robot arm, no? Para mabilis po sa inyo mabuo yung ating tower. So, ganun lang po kadali ang ating first game. Jolly Kids, are you ready? Yes or no?
Yes!
Ako, parang doon yung ready, no? Alright. Gusto ko yung mas malakas. Jolly Kids, are you ready? Yes or no? Alright, so ready na. Kaya naman, one player at a time tayo, ha? Tatawagin ko po ang player na gagawa ng ating game. First up, we have Hardy. Palapan natin si Hardy. Thank you so much. Alright. Oh, Hardy, you have 15 seconds to build our Jolly Town Tower with our robot arm. So get ready. In 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, very good, Hardy. Kayang-kaya pala ni Hardy, ha? O, galingan ng ating mga players. Wow, very good. Let's look. O, dapat nakatayo yung tower natin, ha? Very good. Last 2 blocks. And last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1 and so, alright, pala pa naman natin. Hardy, wow. Ayan na. Very good, parang Leaning Tower of Pisa na yung ano niya, yung tower niya, ha. Very good, Hardy. Next up, we have, of course, our birthday boy, Jarek Matthew. Pala pa naman natin si Jarek. Alright. O, alam niyo na kung paano gawin yung game, ha. 15 seconds.